This week, we take one of the greatest names in motoring history.
Built fantastically well.
Sign it up for a beach race, then run out of time.
2 weeks' work left to do in a week.
Do I look stressed?
You don't look stressed, but you should be.
We have a second date with the 30-ton Volvo love truck,
I used to go around and pick Samantha up in it when we used to go out courting at night.
which has been completely dismantled. And Derek's not keen on the idea of us doing up a pedal plane.
Kids can't get a car that wide through a door that wide, can they? And now we've got a plane with wingspan like that. I've got me doubts whether it's the least bit useful, to be perfectly frank.